Hello students, in the last video we discussed about how to convert the non-terminating decimal expansions in P by Q form. Terminating decimal expansions in P by Q form. Hope you understand students. So now we will go on the exercise questions. So, exercise 1.3. In that first question, I explain how to do. Write the following in decimal form. See students here. Exercise 1.3. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. In the previous video, I gave the example how to do this that I explained. Hope you understand student that how to convert. Now we will go on the third question. Express the following in the form of P by Q form. Is there? Now that also I explained in the previous video how to convert. So these two examples from this exercise is the homework. Already I gave a homework in that video. Now this is the homework from this exercise. Now we will go on the second question. What is given? You know that 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857. So what is 1 by 7? So it is exercise 1.3. Question number second. Exercise 1.3. Question number second. 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857 bar. Can you predict that what the decimal expansions of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? So now how to do this? Now really 1 by 7 equals to this number, it is coming or what? So we will see, we will do the division and we see. 7, 1. Now 1 is not divisible by 7. So here we will take 0. Point. Now 10. 7 ones are 7. Now here 3. Now again 0. 7 fours are 28. So 2, 0. So 7 twos are 14. What will get? 6, 0. 7 eights are 56. 4, 0. 7 fives are 35. 5, 0. 7 sevens are 49. 1. Now see student, here 1 was there. Again here 1 came. Means now from this number, these numbers it will start a repetition. Means 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857. Non-terminating. Remainder is not 0, means non-terminating. And now the numbers are repeating, means it is recurring. Non-terminating recurring decimal means it is the, what is, rational number. another definition of rational number. So 1 by 7 we will get 0.142857. Now can we write 2 by 7 without actual division, without performing such type of division? How to write the value of this? So 2 by 7. How to write 2 by 7? 2 into 1 by 7. Can we write in this way? Yes. So now 1 by 7 value is given. So 2 into 0.142857 bar. So what will get multiplied? So 2 sevens are 14, 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17, 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 and 0. So what will get? 2 by 7, 0.285714 bar. You can divide and check it. So without actual division, we can find out the values of 2 by 7. Same way 3 by 7. So 3 into 1 by 7. You can do the calculation now, students. Here 1 by 7 value and find out the answer. Same way 4 by 7, 4 into 1 by 7. 5 by 7, 5 into 1 by 7. 6 by 7, 6 into 1 by 7. Substitute the value and find out the answer. Hope you understand, student, how to do this. Okay, so we will go on the next question. So that is fourth question. Express 0.999 in form P by Q. So express means here 0.9999. Like this it is given. So how we can write this? So this we can write x equals to 0.9 bar. How we can write 0.9 bar. So 0.999 dot dot dot. Then how many digits having the bar? One digit. So one digit means which number has to multiply? Multiply by 10. So multiply by 10. So what will get? 10x equals to. Now one decimal moves to the left, means 9.999. This 2. So what has to do? Subtract. Equation 1 from 2. So what will get? 10x minus x equals to 9.999 dot 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 minus 0.999. So what will get? 9x equals to 9. So x equals to 1. So what will get, students? X equals to 1. Hope you understand, students. Fourth question how to do. Now we will go on the next fifth question. Now fifth question. What is given in the fifth question? What can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block? See here. What can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 by 7. Perform the division to check your answer. So we have to perform the division. Means what they ask here, after how many digits the numbers are repeating. What they ask, after how many digits the numbers are repeating or digits are repeating. So has to do the division 1 by 17. So now here 0, it is not divisible. So here point. Now we will take 0. Now it is divisible or what? No, it is not divisible. So again we have to take here 0 and here again 1 0. Now what we will get? 17 and 100. So 17 5s are 85. So what we will get? 5 1 15. Now again 0. So what we will get? 17 9s are. What is the 17 9s are? 163. So 163, it is not possible. So 17 8s are. So what will get? 56 5 8 1s are 8 plus 5 13 minus. So what will get? 14. Again 0. So what will get? 8. 136. Now 4 0. Now 17 2s are 34. So what will get here? 6 2. 17 3s are 51. 9. Again 0. 17 5s are 85. 5. Again 0. 17 2s are 34. So what will get? 6 16 160. So now what will get? 8. So 17 8s are 136. So 4. Sorry. So 17 9s are. What will get? 3 6 15 153. Means what is? 9s are 153. So what will get? 7 0. Again 17 3s are 17 4s are 68. So what will get? 2 0. 17 1s are 3. Now we will continue the division because here we did not get repeated number. Repetition did not get. Till up to getting the repetition, we have to continue this. So what is here? 3 means here we will get 0. So here 30. So what will get? 1s are. So what will get? 17 3 13. Again 0. So what is? 17 7s are. 7 7s are 49. 4 7 1s are 7 plus 4 11. 1 19. So here 1, 1. 11. Now again 0. So what will get? 17. 6 are 2. 102. 8. Again 0. 17. 4s are 68. 2. 1. Wait. Again 0. So 17 sevens are 191. Now see, previous number what is 1. Now remainder we got 1. So here again 0 will take, it is not divisible, so has to take 0. Then 100, again 5. Means same procedure it will repeat again. Means after how many digits the number is coming repetition? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After how many blocks of digit? 16 blocks of digit. The digit is repeating. So whatever is the question, what can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion? So after 16 blocks of digit, the digit is repeating. What is the answer? After 16 blocks of digit, the digit is repeating. Understood, student, how to perform? So till up to repetition we have to write. So what will get? 1 by 17 equals to 0.0588235 294 117647. After this many blocks of digit, the digit in the numbers is repeating. Hope you understand, student, how to solve the fifth question. Any doubt? Now see the ninth question. What is the ninth question? Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational number. So that you know how to classify. Square root of non-perfect square number is the irrational number. Square root of perfect square number is a rational number. Terminating decimal expansion is a rational number. Then non-terminating recurring decimal expansion is a rational number, and non-terminating non-recurring decimal expansion is a irrational number. Hope you understand, student, how to solve. Okay, next we will go. Now sixth question. See, students, look at the several examples of rational number in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers with no common factor other than 1 and having terminating decimals representation. Can you guess what property Q must satisfy? So in this question, so several examples we will take. So what examples we will take? In such a way we have to take the value of number. So that it should be in the P by Q form. And in P and Q, there is no common factor other than 1. Okay students, so now we will start. So first it is there, first number we will take 1 by 2. So it is terminating decimal expansion. So how to make it? So 1 by 2. So denominator has to make 10. So then we will get terminating decimals. So what we will get? Which number has to multiply to? 5. So what we will get? 5 by 10 means 0.5. Now second we will take 1 by 4. So 1, here 4. Now which number multiply 4? We will get 10. No number is there. So other than 10, 100. 10, 100, 1000. Like that number should be there. Understood student? Which numbers? 10, 100, 1000 in the denominator. So here 10 it is not possible. So which number has to make? 100. So which number has to multiply here? 25. So here 25. So what will get? 25 by 100. So what is? 0.25. Is there terminating decimal? Now another example. 3 by 20. Here also common number is not there. So here 3 by 20. Can we make it 10? No. So which number has to multiply? We will get 10. It is not possible. So what has to make? 100. So which number has to multiply? 5. So what will get? 15 by 100. So it is 0.15. Then fourth example. So what is that? 3 by 125. So 3 by 125. 3. So which number has to multiply? So 100 it is not possible because this number is bigger than 100. So which next number it will come? 1000. So which number multiply here? We will get 1000. So what is? 8. So here also multiply by 8. Check it. 125 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16 plus 4. 20. So what will get? 8 1s are 8 plus 2, 10. Coming 1000. So what is? 8. So 24 by 1000. So what will get? 0.024. So these are the terminating decimals. What is? Terminating decimals. And question what they ask? Can you guess what property Q must satisfy? So what is there? See here. What is the property in Q? Here Q equals to 2 in the denominator. Here Q equals to 2 square into 5 square. Here Q equals to 2 square 5 square. Here Q equals to 2 cube 5 cube. What is there? Q is in the form of powers of 2. Q must have the powers of 2 or 5. Which property it is satisfying? Q? Q must have powers of 2 or 5 or both. So this is the answer of question number 6. Now 7th question. What is the 7th question? Write 3 numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansions. 3 numbers has to write, any. So what is the meaning of irrational number? Non-terminating, non-recurring. So how to write that numbers? Answer of 7th. 0.10, 1, 20, 1, 30, 1, so on. This is one number. 0.20, 2, 20, 2, 30, 2, so on. Means here non-terminating, non-recurring. So it is the non-terminating, non-recurring. So same way, third example, what will come? 0.30, 3, 20, 3, 30, 3, ... So any 3 they said. So we can write infinite. So condition is what? That number should not be repeat. What is? Number should not be repeat. So hope you understand, student, how to write the 3 irrational numbers. Now we will go on the 8th question. See the students, 8th question. What is given in the 8th question? Find 3 different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5/7 and 9/11. So in between these 2 rational numbers, 3 irrational number we have to write. So how to write? So first 5/7. So convert this 5/7 into decimal expansion. So what is? So here 5, here 7. Divide it. 7, 0. It is not divisible. So we will take point. 7 sevens are 49. 1, 0. 7 ones are 7. 3, 0. 7 fours are 28. 2, 0. 7 twos are 14. 6, 0. 7 eights are 56. 4, 0. 7 fives are 35. 5. Means again same number came. Means it is repeating. So what will get? 0.714285 bar. It is repeating. So 5/7 decimal expansion we wrote. Now second number's decimal expansion. What is the second number? Second number is 9/11. So 9/11's decimal expansion has to write. So for that purpose divide it. 9, here 0, point. So 11 eights are 88. 2, 0. 11 ones are 9. So what we got? Again 9 we got. Means from here again repetition it will start. So what will get? 0.81 bar. So now here we have to write the 3 decimals. How many decimal expansion we have to write? 3 decimal expansion. Non-terminating, non-recurring decimals we have to write. So how to write that? So what we'll get here? See, first 2 digit has to see 0.71, 0.81. So in between, how many? 3 irrational numbers. So how to write? 0.71, 0, 71, 0, 71, 20, 71, 30, 71, dot, dot, dot. 0.72, 0, 72, 00, 72, 000, 72, dot, dot, dot. 0.73, 10, 7320, 73 000, 73, dot, dot, dot. So till up to what? 81. So how many numbers will get? So many numbers will get. So how many they ask? Any 3. What is? 3 different irrational numbers. So understood student how to write any 3 irrational numbers? So hope you understand student how to write. So see here some I will write again. 74, 74, 74, 75, 0, 75, 00, 75, 000, 75, 76, 0, 76, 00, 76, 000, 76. So in this way so many are there. From that any 3 irrational number we have to write. What is the meaning of irrational number? Non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion is called irrational. So these decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. So hope you understand students how to complete the exercise 1.3. So hope you understand this students. Wherever you are having any doubt, so you can ask me, I will clear your doubts. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.